Hey, this is Keith from 3DayRV, and we got something cool to show you this week, and it involves trucks and hauling stuff. So stick around, you'll like this. So this is my dirty 2020 GMC. It's a 1500. It's been a great truck for us. We got 80,000 miles. Whenever we haul things in the back, I have to deal with this. And some of you may not tie things down, but when you throw things in here, you want to have them strapped down just in case you got to slam on the brakes. And then folding these all up. So give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to go from this to this. Made in America. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick what one kit is. All right. I'm going to show you what one kit is. This is one kit on this side. One box will have a ratchet assembly in it with a cover. It'll have the hardware to hold it on. And it is specific for each vehicle.
So you can see the shiny dowel rod behind it, and that's what the Allen screws will thread into, and that's what holds it onto the brackets. All you need to install it on a Chevy GMC is an Allen wrench, and it literally takes 1 minute per side. They made it so simple. You just simply hang the unit on and put your lower bolts on. All you need is an Allen wrench. There's no drilling, no bed modifications needed. These ultimate ratchet straps, they're 9 feet long. The metal and mechanism guaranteed for life. The straps have a limited warranty on them, but you do get an extreme discount should the straps go bad from being in the sun or whatever. Simply call them up. You'll probably notice that I have one mounted up high on the driver's side and one mounted low on the bottom, and that's so I can strap over the top, and the lower one is to strap things against the bed of the truck in case the tailgate has to stay down. I thought this made the most sense, but if you need to change it, it's 2 Allen screws. You take those out, slide it off, put it to where you need. It's pretty simple.
Then to retract these, you push this button and the handle goes down. Then it's ready to unhook. Just like that. And now you can put your cover on. Nice.
There's one other thing that's easier than putting these on, and that's ordering these. Their website makes it easy. You select the type of truck you have, and as many of these things you want to put in the cart. Don't forget, we have a 3DayRV discount code you can use. We're not an affiliate, but we still got a coupon code that'll save you 10%. So please take advantage of that. If you're hauling anything in the back of your truck, take 5 minutes and tie it down. Why risk it? Don't be like this guy. Thanks for watching.